jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing at bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go.
During the month, Santa and his elves often grow bored. They love to pull pranks on one another to pass the time. One elf takes these pranks a little too far.
Jingle around the block, and a make-believe jingling feet.
The day is December 1st. Santa has pulled his suit out of storage to get it clean and ready for Christmas Eve. There's just one problem. Santa has the cookie problem. The problem is that he loves cookies and now he doesn't fit in his suit, or perhaps the suit doesn't fit him.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing at bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing.
Santa, anong tinisip mo?
I think he twisted his feet.
Put your right arm first. Maybe you will try to play first. I'm going to jump into the soup.
Maybe you get a running start. Cheers,
it was a try.
What on is going on in here? What? Nicholas, I warned you about eating all those cookies. If you can't fit in that suit, then there is no magic. Without magic, you never get all the toy delivered. The children will be so disappointed.
What little cookie never hurt anyone?
Maybe you could have a cabin instead, Rudolph.
Do I look like a reindeer to you?
Kind of round like a reindeer body, like this.
Santa, I hate to do this to you, but we're going to put you on a low-carb diet, at least until Christmas.
Does that mean no more cookies for Santa?
No cookies. We have to get him in that suit. No cake, no cookies.
What about candy cane? Can Santa have candy?
No candy anymore.
The show is big!
To go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Jingle feet. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up now the jingle hop.
No,
Just one cookie. I love cookies.
no, have a radish.
Bye-bye.
In the frosty
I've been on this no cookie, no cake, no sugar diet for 2 weeks. Surely my sweet feet and I can have cookies again.
We could try a suit again. I support tea with fish.
I'm going to look for you, Santa. Here you go, Santa.
I think this sweet will fit. I miss out on Mrs. Claus chocolate chip cookies, our gingerbread cookies, and sugar cookies.
I don't think it's going to fit.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, bushels of fun.
Mrs. Claus, Mrs. Claus, come quickly.
What is this, Nicholas?
I think I discovered why my diet isn't working.
This is definitely not your Santa suit. I was wondering where is my little doll placement? Yes.
All those cookies I gave up and it was a prank.
That was a good one, Santa. Actually, we
It was a good prank, but wait until summer though. I'm going to get even.
Now Santa has his suit back. Christmas delivery can go on as planned. Happy New Year to all. การแสดงละครเรื่องนี้เป็นการหลินตลกหรือว่าการหยอกของเอลฟ์กับซานต้าแต่เป็นการหยอกที่สมจริงเกินไปจึงเฮ็ดให้ซานต้าเข้าใจผิดเพราะฉะนั้นขอฝากให้พี่น้องนักเรียนที่หยอกเพื่อนนักเรียนหยอกให้หยอกง่ายกันต่อก็พ่อให้มวลซื้อก็หยอกง่ายกันจนถึงพ่อเข้าใจผิดคือกับละครสารพิษครับเจ๊
เจ้าขอเสียงตบมือสุดท้ายอีกครั้งหนึ่ง
Thank you, Adila Udamsak. Teacher M. Superstar Yong Kun Pan. Suksala Siripan. พัฒนพงศ์กันตศรีโลกทิพาพรแสงดีสุริวงศ์